Hello, we are going to know about Singularity Credit World Home Loan. First, let's know about the eligibility criteria. Salaried and self-employed person are eligible for a home loan from the Singularity Credit World. Having minimum age self-employed 23 years. Or having maximum age 58 years. Applicant CIBIL score should be more than 700. Now let's know about the loan criteria. If person is eligible, he or she may get loan amount up to rupees 1 lakhs to 1 crore 5 years to 30 years. Tenure refers to the length of time until the loan is due. The minimum tenure you can get of 30 years for salaried person and 30 years for self-employed person. Rate of interest will be 11% and above municipal corporation 13% and above other property reducing per annum. Processing fee will be up to 2% plus GST of the loan amount. Turnaround time is the amount of time it takes to complete a process. In this loan, your turnaround time will be 7 to 10 days. Insurance and other 0% to 2%. Folklore charge nil. Now let's know about the documents required. For salaried employed of KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3 months salary slip of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. For self-employed, last 3 years ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 2 year Form 16 of applicant. 26 as of last 2 year of applicant and co-applicant. Appointment letter of applicant if available. Agreement to sale if purchase case. Now let's know about for income requirement. Salaried, 25,000 rupees per month. Self-employed, PBT of 5 lakh or ITR of 5 lakh. SENP September, PBT of 5 rupees lakhs in latest FY with audited, unaudited financials. Minimum vintage, salaried, 2 years, 3 years business continuity. Lock-in period, salaried, 2 years, 3 years business continuity. Part payment allowed, yes. OD product, no. Lock-in period month. Co-applicant needed, yes. LTV, up to 30 lakh 90%, 30 lakh, 75 lakh 80%, 75 lakh 75%, plot 75%. FOIR, bank salaried, up to 60%. Cash salaried, up to 50%. Assessed income, up to 50%. ITR based, up to 100%. Gross receipt, up to 80%. Banking program, 50%. In case of non-MC properties, FOIR for ITR based is up to 60%. Product 1. New purchase, 2. BT plus top-up 3. Plot purchase plus construction 4. Home renovation. Program 1. Banking program 1 CR2. BT plus top-up up to 1 CR3. Normal income up to 1 CR4. Low LTV 50 lakh. Co-applicant required, yes. Negative profile, no negative profile. Funded property, residential plot purchase and construction. Negative property, no negative property. Experience with current employer, 3 months. UPS, funding on all type of property and all type of income. Funding to cash salaried applicant also. Experience with current employer, 3 months. Location, Delhi and Mumbai.